In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix YouTube playlist watch later not showing. First thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection. Next up, update your YouTube app. For that, launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app YouTube. If you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Likewise, check the server status of YouTube. For that, launch your preferred browser. Navigate to the website Down Detector, search for YouTube. Now, if you found out any outages, you'll need to wait until the problem will be resolved. If the solution didn't work out for you, completely delete YouTube from your device and reinstall it. So close this, press and hold on your YouTube app, click on the option Remove App, click on Delete App, click on Delete. Then launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app YouTube and then install it. And that's it. These are some fixes for YouTube playlist watch later not showing. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.